This is a championship event. When we are ready, all competitors will start on 3 seconds. And a reminder, particularly axemen, at the completion of the event, wait for the all clear before we come back into the arena. So good luck, tree fellas. We do have an all clear. Stand by for a start.
Competitors, stand your lungs. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4.
They're all underway as you watch them start to make that ball hold, and as they take the ball all in, you can count as they go. So down on number 8 we've got from British Columbia, we've got Jake Hewitt. Up from there we've got Riley Sheen from Tasmania. They start to scale up into the top of that tree. We've got Jack Argent on tree, number 6 from Blackbuck. Then on tree 5 from Tasmania we've got Josh Bates, Joshua Bates. We've got Blake Meyer from Victoria on tree number 4. And on tree number 3 we've got Matthew Gerber. And then on tree number 2, Josh Anderson. On tree number 1, we've got Daniel Jones. So father and son in this event. On tree number 1, we've got the son. Down on tree number 3, we've got the father. And they'll be up against each other, obviously. So you can be watch as we go. Watch the world bowls. Taking half of the tree already, as they will. Keep your eye number 1. Both, all of these fellas will do the best to try and go